Somebody threw a rock up there. I saw a rock flying all the way in the water. I don't know if it's a joke. I don't know if he knows that I am walking here. I don't know if he throws a rock because of the boats are making noise. I don't fucking know, but this is fucking dangerous, man. Crazy. Okay, take care guys. Have a good day. Okay, welcome to Plum Bay. Do you remember when I was at Plum Bay? I parked my car at a parking spot somewhere at Plum Bay, and I walked from Plum Bay until Plum Bay with one bottle of water, and it was a long walk, but I had to walk it all the way back. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't walk Plum Bay until the end because it was a long walk. But now I'm back on track. Now I park my car here at the Plum Bay parking area. So now it's a little bit closer to Plum Bay Beach and closer to the end of Plum Bay Beach. And maybe we are going to fly the drone today to make some beautiful videos, because that's what I'm doing, traveling and making videos for you. And we'll see what we're gonna find out today. Maybe we'll see some crazy nature stuff or some beautiful ladies. Here it is guys, Long Beach. So if you watched my previous video, I was at Plum Bay all the way back there. I walked around it and I stopped somewhere at those bushes over there. I put my towel on the ground and I swim a little bit. But now I'm walking all the way until the end. Ooh, slippers. Somebody left them over here. So let's see what the water is like. Yesterday there was a big Sahara desert storm and the dust came all the way here to the Caribbean. So the sky wasn't that clear. But as you can see today, the sky is a little bit blue. It's not like yesterday. We have some gray clouds, but that doesn't matter, the weather is good. It's 32 degrees Celsius and there's a little bit of a refreshing wind. Boy, without this wind it would be hot. Yo, 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 we are halfway right now. We're almost at the end. This is beautiful. There is nobody on this beach. If you have a black and white body like me, you can see this black and white. The best thing to get rid of this white skin is come to this beach and get naked. The waves are a little bit strong here, and you can see it on the sand. There's a big, woo, yep, this is what I mean. Oh, this is beautiful. Look how beautiful this place is. Wow. Why haven't I come here before? I'm like 3 months on this island, and this is the first time that I ever came here. Look at this. Look at all those people on the boat. Like 20 people on 3 boats having a party. I almost wanted to say that this reminds me of Greece, but I haven't been to Greece before. Well, it reminds me of the videos that I saw of Greece. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of Long Bay, the most beautiful part of this beach. Look at this. And here we are at the end of Long Bay Beach. I just put my towel on the ground. My drone is ready. The 3 boats are still there partying, and I'm the only one on the beach. So let's enjoy this beach. Look how beautiful this is. Man. Every day I'm getting surprised by a new beach, a new location. And this one is also on my top best beaches of St. Maarten. Look at this. The sun is almost down. The colors on the beach are right now. This is the golden hour. Have you ever heard of the golden hour? That's 30 minutes before sunset, where the colors of the beach, the rocks, the trees, everything turns into a magical place. And as you can see right now, this is a magical place. The sun is right behind the boats. Wow. Holy fuck. Yo! What the f***? Somebody threw a rock. What the f***, man? Somebody threw a rock up there. I saw a rock flying all the way in the water. I don't know if it's a joke. I don't know if he knows that I am walking here. I don't know if he throws a rock because of the boats are making noise. I don't fucking know, but this is fucking dangerous, man. It was a fucking big rock that came from up there. I don't know if it's a residency or something, but I don't feel safe right now. Holy crap. The rock just landed somewhere over here. It landed here in the water. And it came from up there. I'm gonna find out on Google Maps which house is right up there, because this is fucking dangerous, man. Because I don't think that there is a main road. This is all private property. Shit. I have to stay close to the rock here before somebody is slamming a rock on my head. This is fucking ridiculous, man. There was a second rock coming from way up there. Let's see if we can see some people. I see a black fence right up there, so I think it's a private property. Must be a house. I don't feel comfortable chilling down here on this beach. right now. I hope it's just somebody who didn't realize that there are people on the beach down here. A kid or a, I don't know. I hope it stays with 2 rocks, because this is not good. You see the white house over there on top of that rock? There is where the 2 stones came from. Almost killed somebody if there were people over there. I was just like 10 meters in the water and the rock landed right over there. When I came out, there was a second rock even. When I go back home and drive through the security, I'm gonna tell them about this. I'm gonna make a picture of that house over there and tell the security that somebody threw 2 rocks from up there and it landed right over here.